behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off in qualification match number 18. On the Red Alliance, we have team 33-18, the Robo Dragons, making their way to the right side of the Coral Reef, as the other two Red Alliance partners have made their way to the left side. On the Blue Alliance, we have team 44-68 leaving the barge. Going to tell you up here, the Blue Alliance can take an early lead of 16 points. The Red Alliance is 9 points. Team 24-15, Wired Cats, making their way over the Coral Reef, lining themselves up to see if they can get an L4. They're just a little far away right now. They just got to move up, and hopefully they would get it. They're going closer and closer. In the meantime, and they got it. Team 33-18, Robo Dragons, line themselves up from the coral area, getting another coral, bring it all the way to the Coral Reef, into the trough for another 2 points. On the Blue Lines, we have Team 18-33, Team Bean, getting blocked by the Red Alliance, Team 75-38, Metal Mountain. They're trying to block them so they can't put any more coral up on that Coral Reef. Looks like we have Team 44-68 is moving out of the way for Bean to get more coral from the coral station area as they make their way all the way up to L4 for another 6 points. Team 38-39-1, 100 Scholars, trying to see if they can get that algae removed from the reef. Team Bean once again trying to making their way back to the coral reef, seeing if they can get another coral all the way up to L4 for another 6 points, and yes they can. As we are now halfway through the match, the Blue Alliance is taking a slight lead of 35 points, and the Red Alliance is 28 points, but it's still anyone's game. Team 24-15 with Team Wired Cats trying to get that coral up on L4, but it's not quite enough, and it falls all the way back down to the ocean floor. Team 33-18, the Robo Dragons, getting another coral up in that trough for an additional 2 points as they make their way back to the human player station to get another one to bring back to the trough. We got all the cages swinging on the Blue Alliance side as Metal Mountain has swung through there, coming all the way back to the Red Alliance zone. Team 33-18, the Robo Dragons, getting another coral up on that trough for 2 more points for their alliance. Team 44-68, Lynx Robotics is currently making their way towards the barge with 30 seconds remaining in the match. Team 18-33, Team Bean, trying for another coral up on L4, but it's not quite enough and falls all the way down to the trough, but still earning them 2 points for their alliance. They've successfully just got another L2 for 3 more points for their alliance. That sound means we are in the final 20 seconds of the match. We only 2 points separate these two teams right now. 48-48, we are tied with 12 seconds remaining in the match. The Red Alliance pulls ahead with 50 points as 33-18 Robo Dragons extend that lead for 2 more points, getting another coral in the trough. Team Bean is in the air, swinging back and forth. That's going to earn their alliance 12 points, and the other alliance partners are parked in the barge. And that is all the time we have for qualification match number 18. And the scores are in for qualification match number 18. And the win's going to go to the Blue Alliance with a score of 64-56. A red card has been issued against 24-15 in a violation of G430 because the coaches had their hands on the controller.